Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Yep, Grandpa Sees Blinking. We have a sell signal in the 1 minute. We have a buy signal in the 15. We have a buy signal in the 5 minute. I'm going to go through each chart with you shortly. Hey, don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner, and if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Is Grandpa excited? You bet. Grandpa is excited. This is it right here, folks. You can have a chance to make some big money if you got the guts to do it. We'll see. Okay, Tesla had a high to low today of $9.07. We gapped up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Grandpa got his opening price again. Oh, Grandpa. And I'm going to give you the opening price here shortly for Tesla. Howbeit, I'm not real. We're probably going to get Grandpa's opening price, but it might be. Well, anyway, here we okay. We had a high today at 255.39, a low at 246.21, and we closed at 251.44. The indexes, Nasdaq and S&P 500, were up substantially, and Tesla outperformed them by a whole bunch. Pivot point. We're still searching for a new bottom pivot point. However, 238.88 that we got the other day might be our new bottom pivot point. I wish I could tell you for sure, but I can't. I'll probably know tomorrow. I really believe I will. But currently, if Trump, I'll tell you this much: if Trump wins, 238.88 will be your new bottom pivot point. If Kamala wins, I believe we'll go down below that. Divergence. Volume fell today, 2 million shares, but on higher prices. So it's only 2 million shares. It's kind of neutral. I don't put much into that. That's probably what drug us back down from the top. Volume was only 65 million shares. Average shares for selling in a day of Tesla is 90.5 million. The dominant trend is still down. However, we got ourselves a green candle in the daily. I would have felt a little bit better if it was red, but it's not. Okay, so let's look at this daily. Okay, we're currently still under a sell signal in the daily. That means the dominant trend is still down. Okay, but we are under a golden cross in the daily, and in the daily, that's a terrifically strong signal. When the 50 moving average moves through the 200 moving average from the bottom side up, the blue line is the 50, crossing through this dotted yellow one. The higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. And as you can see, it hit that thing at right at 205, down at $205. And so we've already gone up 45, but this thing can go up another $100 or more off this golden cross. And the fact that we got a green candle, we could get a red one tomorrow that's got a wick that's even higher, whatnot. Or we could just get another green candle and get a bull flag all the way up to 300 or 370. This thing doesn't follow great rules, I'll tell you that much. Um, but currently, we're still searching for a bottom pivot point. I can't call it yet. I'd like to call it, but I can't. And the dominant trend is still down. However, she's looking stronger. Um, Upside resistance, we got resistance right above where we're at right now at 253.25. We got a little resistance. um, we have resistance at 259. Keep in mind that if 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 it looks like Trump's going to win, in here's how it is: Georgia and North Carolina. The polls close at 7 p.m. Eastern Time in Georgia. They close at 7:30 p.m. in North Carolina. If Trump has got they're claiming that it's really close there. Okay, that's the polls, the fake media. But if Trump is way ahead in this evening, okay, in Georgia and North Carolina, that means they've been feeding us garbage, and Trump's going to win. In Grandpa's opinion, if Trump wins, you can look for 370 to 400, 300 really quick. 330, followed by 330, followed by Grandpa's 370 he keeps talking about, and I'm leaning towards 400 right now. I don't even have a share. Neither does Grandma, neither does Jeff that I know of. Treasonous Trucker he's the smartest one of the bunch. He got in at 249. I sold mine this morning at 249 on the way up, my longs, and then I went short and made a couple $100 coming down. That's how crazy Grandpa is. And now I'm waiting for a dip of some sort, probably 251, 250, something. It's hard to buy higher up once you've had an opportunity to buy it lower. That's really hard. Okay, so upside resistance, 265, 259, and that's where we're at. Downside support. Let's see, what do we got going here? Well, we have absolute support at 250, 245, 240, 240. I'd like to see that number. 235, of course, 230, 218. You know the drill, 212. Potential range. Now, these are under normal times, and this ain't going to be normal, I can tell you that. When they figure out if Trump won or not, this thing will be going 30, 40, 50 bucks so fast you won't even be able to get in. You almost got to make your decision in advance to have a chance of getting in. All the big time brokers, they're sleeping on their couches tonight in trading floors. They're going to trade all night, and by tomorrow morning, when we know, they'll have already made their money. So a regular range would be from $230 to $260 on the outside edges. But I could, one way or the other, whoever wins this election, if Kamala wins, 230 would, I think, come very quickly. If Trump wins, I think 260 would be a buying opportunity. In the next 60 to 90 days, according to Grandpa's calculating, Grandpa's always calculating, I'm seeing, I've been seeing a minimum for quite a while now of 265 to 330 per share upcoming. So take that with a grain of salt. Remember Grandpa's opinion. Okay, fair opening price for Wednesday is 251. 251. Grandpa's right 9 out of 10 times. I hope I'm right this time because and my fair opening price happens any time after 8 o'clock tonight. If we get down there, that would be as good enough for Grandpa. But we can only trade till 8 o'clock at night, and they've been pretty much moving us sideways here. No real opportunity to get a buy or even a sell. So I will tell you that Truth Social, I believe, according to what I've seen, went up over 20% today. That's like, like Elon's got X and Trump has Truth Social. Well, his stock went up 20%, over 20% today. And so somebody might know something based off that. I don't know. Excitement. Just unbelievable excitement. I don't want this thing to run up $100 without Grandpa. I don't want it to run up $150 without Grandma. Grandma's got her buy-in at $250.50. It came within about 30 cents of her before the close at one point, and she didn't get it. So that's where we're at. Fair opening price $251. Me and Grandma might have to adjust if we want shares. If you think Trump's going to win, buy your shares. If you think Trump's going to lose, don't buy shares. Hey, most importantly, think about eternity. Think about eternity once in a while. I haven't got any big news on the war. I figure if Trump gets elected, they'll clean out the nukes over there in Iran almost instantly. That'll be another thing that we could have a little bit of a war here. That might slow Tesla down to a small degree, but you never know. If we get rid of their nukes over there, the world will be a better place, and things might finally stabilize, and the Tesla will be heading for, well, Grandpa figures with Optimus coming and stuff, it's going to be 5,000 to 10,000 a share, per share. That's Grandpa's real opinion. I've said that before, but they think Grandpa's crazy, so think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. Bye-bye.